Like and subscribe if you want to master AI and machine learning. Now, here are the best books to get you started. Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow, Aurélien Géron. Perfect for beginners. Learn machine learning step by step with real-world projects. Deep Learning, Ian Goodfellow, Yoshua Bengio, and Aaron Corville. The Deep Learning Bible covers everything from neural networks to AI models. Python Machine Learning, Sebastian Raschka and Vahid Mirjalili. Great for Python lovers. Master ML algorithms and practical coding. Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans, Melanie Mitchell. Not a coder? No problem. This book explains AI in a simple, engaging way. Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning, Christopher Bishop. For those who love theory, a deep dive into AI's mathematical foundations. Grab these books on Amazon, Google Books, or your local bookstore. Want more AI resources? Smash that like button and subscribe for more.